Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Is E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Part of having a good lifestyle is having a clean home. And if you guys have been following me for the last few weeks, then you know that my life has been extremely busy. There have been a lot of things that have been falling to the wayside, and cleaning is one of them. So I am in the process of trying to get back on track with recording and editing and filming for you guys, as well as getting my house back in order. So this video is going to be a cleaning video. I am going to be cleaning the entire downstairs portion of my home. So if you are interested in some cleaning motivation, then keep watching. So just to catch some of you new lifestyle lovers up who are new to the channel, I live in a townhome. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. This is the half bath that I am currently cleaning right now, and it's pretty much the powder room. It is located in the downstairs portion of my home. It is the only bathroom that's located in the downstairs portion of my home. For the most part, this bathroom pretty much stays clean because it is the least used bathroom in the house. It's primarily for guests, so they won't have to go upstairs to use the bathroom. But the lower level pretty much consists of my powder room, in which I'm currently cleaning right now, the entryway, as well as the living room and the kitchen, which is a open floor plan. So I'm going to be tackling all of those areas in my home in this video, and I'll probably do another video tackling the upstairs. But some days I can't do the entire house, although it's not very large. It just pretty much tires me out once I clean the lower level and I am ready to rest. So right now I am cleaning the toilet, and I am using the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Thin Eraser Sheets. This is my first time trying this cleaning product, and I guess they're okay. I typically buy the thicker magic erasers, which I really love, especially for cleaning baseboards, but I just thought I would try these for smaller jobs like the toilet.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure.
Moving on to the pedestal sink located in the powder room, lifestyle lovers, I am using the Odoban microfiber cloth in order to clean the sink. These cloths are washable and reusable, and they reduce up to 99% of bacteria.
Time out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
After I have cleaned the toilet with the magic eraser, then I will go back in with the Odoban Microsham cloth and pretty much wipe the entire toilet down. These cloths are great for polishing and drying surfaces.
Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now that I pretty much have all of the surfaces in the bathroom sanitized, I am going to move on to my entryway area. This particular area is right behind my front door. So I have an entryway bench here, and I have a place where you can sit and remove your shoes. So I'm not quite a shoeless home, but I do prefer, if guests are comfortable, to remove their shoes, and there is a place where they can place their shoes and be able to find them when they get ready to exit my home. So right now I'm just sanitizing this area using some cleaner with bleach and a microfiber cloth.
I'm a hiatus, baby, don't check for me.
Now that I have sanitized the shoe area, lifestyle lovers, I am going to go in with my Tide Antibacterial Fabric Spray. This spray also kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, and it smells so awesome. I would absolutely recommend this fabric spray. Now I'm going to go in and clean my entryway mirror with the Sprayaway glass cleaner. If you have seen any cleaning video on my channel in the past, I always use Sprayaway to clean my glass decor, glass tables, mirrors, whatever the case may be. I love Sprayaway, and I would definitely recommend it to add into your cleaning routine.
Moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is pretty much the entryway area when you enter my home. I am just going to go ahead and remove my entryway rug. Typically, the last thing I do is sweep and mop. So I am going to do that pretty much at the end of the video. That is how come you did not see me sweep and mop the bathroom floor. All of my towel areas, which is pretty much this area, as well as the kitchen area, I will tackle those floors at the end of the clean with me. And also in this particular area, lifestyle lovers, is where my air filter is located. So I decided to go ahead and change that out. But upon careful inspection of the previous air filter, it does not look like it needs to be changed out. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that back. And I am going to use some Glade filter spray that I purchased from Home Depot. So this spray, you just simply remove your filter from the unit. You apply the desired amount of pumps. And I have used this before. It can get pretty strong. The first time that I used it, it was very, very potent. But the scent that I'm using is the lavender and vanilla. And it just releases a fresh scent through your air filter. Moving on to my living area, lifestyle lovers, which is pretty much a open floor plan that opens up into the kitchen as well as the kitchen dining area. I've had these clothes sitting for quite a few days now, so they need to be folded and hung up. So I'm just going to go ahead and tackle folding the laundry.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, now that I have tackled the folding of the laundry, I have everything put up and hung up in its particular place. I am going to move on to cleaning my living area, starting with sprinkling on my area rug some Arm & Hammer extra strength carpet odor eliminator, and then I am going to go in and vacuum the area rug with the Dyson. Under the area rug is actually luxury vinyl floors, and later on I am going to go in with some Bona and clean those floors.
My season lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to my bookcase or my entertainment center located in my living area. I am using the Method Good for Wood Daily Cleaner to wipe the entire surface of the bookcase down. it is a plant-based cleaner, so it's not harsh to any surfaces. I am going to remove all of my decor items from the bookcase, and I am going to use the Sprayaway glass cleaner to clean those items. Most of the items on the bookcase are made of some type of glass type or ceramic type surface, so that is why I am using the Sprayaway glass cleaner to clean those items.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now that the living area is all clean, I am going to move on to the dining area, which is also a part of the kitchen on the lower level of my home. Right now, as you can see, the table is filled with laptops and mail and all type of items, so I'm just going to go ahead and clear the table off, and of course use my Sprayaway glass cleaner to clean the table and all of the decor items that are located on the table.
And live my life, hey. Taking just don't do. And live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the.
Moving on to the actual kitchen area, lifestyle lovers, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the few dishes that are located in the sink. I am using some Dawn dish soap. I'm quite sure you guys are all familiar with Dawn. It has been around for a long time, so I won't go ahead and insert a clip of that, but I'm just going to go ahead, wash the dishes up with some Dawn dish soap and place them in the dishwasher to dry. I also use a cap full of bleach when washing my dishes. That's pretty much what my mom did, and it has passed on to me. So that's what I do each time I wash a load of dishes. I use Dawn and a little bit of bleach.
And free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, now I am moving on to cleaning my microwave. I am a true believer that if your microwave is dirty, your kitchen is dirty. It doesn't matter that the microwave is closed. It doesn't matter that anyone cannot see it. If your microwave is dirty, your kitchen dirty, this is not up for debate. If you disagree, then let's argue. I said it. If your microwave dirty, your kitchen is dirty. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I am also using some Clorox cleaner with bleach in order to clean my microwave. Clorox cleaner with bleach can be used to clean just about anything in your home if you don't mind using bleach. It does kill up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be.
Also, lifestyle lovers, once I am pretty much done cleaning the kitchen, I love to wipe the entire countertops down with some Pine Sol Sparkling Wave. It smells so good and so fresh. I also use this same Pine Sol in order to mop the tile portion of the floors, which are located in the kitchen and in the entryway. I love this stuff. If you have not tried it, I would definitely recommend that you try it. And if you do, let me know what you think.
Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to tackling the floors, and currently I am using my Cedar Easy Ring Mop System, in which I recently purchased, which comes with a microfiber mop as well as a handle, 2 replacement mop refills, and a bucket with a foot paddle. I know someone had mentioned in a video back, a cleaning video, in which I was bending down. So this is perfect to wring out the mop without having to bend. So far, I am absolutely loving this mop. If you are interested in any of the cleaning products that I have displayed in this clean with me, I will link those products in the description box below, including the Cedar Easy Ring Mop System. If you have not noticed, lifestyle lovers, life got busy again. So I actually had to finish the floors the next day. I'm going to go ahead and mop the floors and pretty much end the cleaning video here. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that it did provide some cleaning motivation for whatever day that you're watching this. Continue to be safe, lifestyle lovers. Continue to wear your mask, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.